How to convert WMV videos to MP4. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Herme from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to convert WMV videos to MP4 format. There are many programs and websites that can do this conversion for you nowadays. I'll talk about Adobe Express again, which offers this conversion for free. To do this, follow these steps. Go to Adobe Express, click Upload Video, log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Choose your video or drag it to the designated area. Wait for conversion, then download the converted video. There are also paid services that do this, like our on-demand service. On-demand offers extra features like content protection and embedding videos on websites. We recently updated our service with live conversion, letting you use videos before they're fully converted. This makes your videos available quickly and easily. Scan our QR code to see our plans and enjoy all the features. If you like this, please subscribe and follow us on social media.